Hello my viewers, welcome back to Jack Media. In today's tutorial, we'll go over how to create a responsive footer using HTML and CSS. This footer includes social media icons, contact information, a navigation menu, and a copyright section. Let's break it down. Now do me a favor and subscribe this channel. Thank Buddy for subscribing. First, let's look at the HTML structure. Inside the footer greater than tag, we've divided the footer into 4 sections. The social icons section contains links to your social media platforms styled with font awesome icons. Each link represents a different social platform and is placed inside a circular background for a clean look. Next, we have the contact information section. This displays a phone number and location using icons for better visual representation. It's laid out in a horizontal flexbox arrangement with proper spacing between the icons and the text. Following that is the navigation menu. This is a horizontal menu with links to important pages like About, Events, Services, and Contact. Each link has a subtle hover effect that underlines the text to improve the user experience. Finally, there's the copyright section. This displays the copyright year and credits the designer with bold styling for the name to make it stand out. Now let's move on to the CSS styling. First, we applied a global reset to remove any default margins, paddings, and borders, ensuring consistent styling across all browsers. The footer itself has a light teal background with white text to ensure good readability. It is styled with padding for spacing and is designed to always stick to the bottom of the page. Thanks to the margin top auto property. For the social icons, we used flexbox to align them horizontally. Each icon is given a circular background with a hover effect that scales the icon slightly and adds a shadow to make it pop when hovered. The contact information uses flexbox as well, aligning the icons and text horizontally. The spacing is adjusted to ensure the icons don't feel cramped against the text. The navigation menu is styled to display links in line with hover effects that create an underline animation. This gives the menu an interactive and polished look. Finally, for responsive design, media queries are used to adjust the icon and font sizes for smaller screens, ensuring the footer looks good on all devices. And that's it. This responsive footer is clean, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. It works seamlessly across devices, thanks to flexbox and responsive design. Feel free to customize the colors, icons, and content to fit your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.